அடுத்ததாக திரு இயக்குனர் சுரேஷ் கிருஷ்ணா அவர்கள். இவர் ஒரு இந்திய திரைப்பட இயக்குனர், தயாரிப்பாளர் மற்றும் எழுத்தாளர் ஆவார். இவர் தமிழ், தெலுங்கு, மலையாளம், கன்னடம் மற்றும் இந்தி ஆகிய மொழிகளில் திரைப்படங்களை இயக்கியுள்ளார். இவர் குறிப்பாக ரஜினிகாந்த் நடித்த அண்ணாமலை, பாஷா, வீரா, பாபா போன்ற படங்களால் அறியப்பட்டவர். இயக்குனராக 1988 கமலஹாசனுடன் இணைந்து சத்யா என்ற படத்தை இயக்கி இயக்குனராக அறிமுகமானார். இவர் மற்ற மொழி படங்களையும் சிறப்பாக இயக்கி பலருடைய பாராட்டுக்களை பெற்றுள்ளார். சில படங்களுக்கு கதையும் வசனமும் எழுதியுள்ளார். இத்தகைய பன்முக திறன் கொண்ட இவர்களை ரோட்டரி மாவட்டம் 3231 விருதினை வழங்கி மகிழ்கின்றது.
பாஷா பாரு பட்டாளத்து நடைய பாரு, பகை நடுங்கும் படைய பாரு, கோட்டு சூட்டு ரெண்டும் எடுத்து கோட்டு நடக்கும் புலிய பாரு, பற்றி எரியும் நெருப்ப போல சுட்டெரிக்கும்.
இந்த நால்வருக்கும் வழங்கியது லைஃப் டைம் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் அவார்டு என்பதனை இங்கே குறிப்பிட விரும்புகின்றோம். அன்னாரை ஏற்புரையாற்ற அழைத்து மகிழ்கின்றோம்.
வணக்கம். Thank you Rotary 3231 for this award. Respected dignitaries on the stage, dear friends. An award always gives one happiness. It's a recognition of our work. But why, I always used to think, what does an award do? Actually, it is an inspiration that brought us here. 50 films, 45 years I have been working, and I'm still inspired. I'm still wanting to do more work. There's always an inspiration waiting somewhere. When I was born and brought up in Bombay, I saw films of Raj Kapoor, Deva Anand, Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan. Then I saw the work behind those people, Salim Javed, Yash Chopra, Subhash Ghai, directors. And from Bombay, in 1975, one heroine really impressed me. That was Lakshmi from Julie. We all became our ardent fans then in Bombay. We were all college boys. She was our heartthrob. And from there, when I came to Chennai, I was enamored by the great K. Balachandar sir, Bharati Raja sir, Mahendran sir. I mean, some of the great directors. Then I found music inspiring me. In Bombay, it was S.D. Burman, R.D. Burman, Shankar Jaikishan, Lakshmikant Parilal, Madan Mohan. And I came here, when I came to Chennai, then I heard M.S. Vishwanathan, then I heard Ilayaraja, then I heard A.R. Rahman, then I worked, collaborated with Deva. I mean, everybody inspired. Everybody are always a source of inspiration. Lakshmi's, so many films I saw when I came to Chennai. What a great actress. And I was so lucky that I had the opportunity to work with Kamal Hassan sir, Rajinikanth sir, and so many heroes in Telugu, Chiranjeevi, Venkatesh, even Hindi I did Salman Khan, Vishnu Vardhan in Kannada, Malayalam Mohanlal. I mean, to be working with such great actors and so many talent, music-wise, cameraman-wise, I think I'm very fortunate. And I will never forget my first film, Satya, which he spoke about, not Annamalai, not Basha, it is Satya, he said. And one thing everybody I would like to tell here, Satya, art director, was Tota Tarne. And the most beautiful part, the way he helped me. I'm a new debutant director, but he was there for me, helping me, guiding me. And inspiration, I thought, ended when you do 50 films. But I met Y.G. Mahendran sir. I have seen his plays. He has worked in some films with me. But when I worked with him in Charukesi, I think this man is unimaginable. What a talent. I mean, I missed him. I should have worked more films with him. But it's never at the end. It always is a comma. New projects will come. Because he's an ocean of talent, I'm sure after Charu Kesi, many more films I will work with him, and I would like to showcase his talent in different genres, different style of cinema. But last but not the least, an inspiration for which I will be ever grateful to Toda Tarne. Just before Satya, 1 week before the shooting, suddenly he said, Suresh, I have to see my darling. Darling? Yes. Without meeting my darling, I don't think we should start the film. I was surprised. Who is that darling? Then he said, Mugambiga Temple, Kollur. And he just booked the ticket, took me there, and my first visit with Mugambiga Temple. Then I realized the real inspiration is God Himself. Without God's blessings, without His inspiration, without the way He showed His path to me every year, after cinema, I will not be standing here. I will not be given this Lifetime Achievement Award from Rotary. I thank each and every fan, each and every person here for honoring this. I'm really, truly grateful. Thank you so much.